It's been just over 90 days after the official release of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and I must say that I am generally impressed with the phone's performance. From smooth gameplay to its multitasking abilities, down to improved camera quality and even audio, there are almost no flaws with the Fold 4. We will be talking about these and many in today's Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 review after 90 days. Worth buying? Let's begin. Display. A first look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will definitely catch your attention. Once you start using it, it will be very difficult for you to go back to normal phones. The design, large display, screen, camera, battery, and overall performance is beyond average. Obviously, the display of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is twice the size of normal Samsung phones, such as the Samsung S22 Ultra and the likes. It gives you the huge display of a tablet while offering you the additional foldable design that you can use to easily put the phone in your pocket.
Impressive.
If you enjoy watching movies and playing games on phones with bigger screens, then you should go for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. According to Samsung, the device does a lot in one hand with its 6.2-inch cover screen. In both hands, the 7.6-inch main screen makes it your ultimate do-more device. And when you need to go hands-free, simply set it down, find a good angle, and leave it there while you get more done. The split view feature of the device is another plus for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. The multitasking feature makes working as less tedious as possible. For instance, you can be typing your work with your Google Docs app on one side of the screen while scrolling through social media or any other app on the other side of the screen, thanks to the Galaxy Z Fold 4 split view feature and Android 12L. This is as easy as it gets. The big display screen is good, its multitasking feature is better, but its camera quality is best. We will talk more about that in a minute. Don't blink. Just before we get to the performances of the Galaxy Z Fold 4, please take some seconds to subscribe to our channel. Our growth depends very much on your cooperation. Performance. There are a number of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 unboxing videos that seem not to talk about the great battery performance of the device. It has about 7 to 8 hours of battery life, which is good enough to power your work throughout the day, thanks to its 4,400 mAh powered battery. I do almost everything with my Galaxy Z Fold 4, gaming, taking pictures and videos, typing scripts, etc. And for it to take me through almost a day without having to charge it is a performance for me. To add up to the great battery performance, it takes no time to get the Galaxy Z Fold 4 charged. It has a super fast battery charging system that can charge the device from 0 up to 50% in about 30 minutes when using a 25-watt adapter or higher. Normally, you would expect phones to get a bit hot after hours of continuous use. This is not the same for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Aside from feeling comfortable in the hands, it doesn't get hot even after long hours of gaming. We will soon talk more about the Galaxy Z Fold 4 gaming features. Keep watching. In terms of app performance, it takes almost no time for apps to respond. It is very quick and responsive with no input lag, thanks to the new Qualcomm SM8475 Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. It generally has a smooth user feel even after 90 days of use. Camera. Ask me to choose between the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 camera and other smartphones with good cameras, such as the iPhone 13 Pro, I will go for the Galaxy Z Fold 4 without thinking twice. The device has a multi-camera system with an upgraded rear camera. You can take your photography skills to the next level. It has a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, 50-megapixel wide-angle camera, a 3x optical zoom telephoto camera, a 4-megapixel under-display camera, and a 10-megapixel cover camera, all designed to bring out every detail out of your pictures.
Very interesting.
Not all smartphones can boast this set of camera features. Do you think so too? Share your thoughts with us in the comment section if you think otherwise. Gaming. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is good for gaming as well. With its 7.6 inches dynamic AMOLED display screen, you can get your gaming images as large as possible. It also has up to 120Hz refresh rate, a low input lag, and a quick responsive time, which is good for a smooth gaming experience. However, playing some games such as Call of Duty is a bit of a downside. Yes, you will have smooth gameplay, but the issue has to do with the display. The phone's aspect ratio causes certain images on the sides to be cut out as compared to other phones with wide displays. Popular YouTuber Max Tech further explains in a Galaxy Z Fold 4 review.
Playing games on the Fold 4 is amazing with this large screen. There's no slowdowns, heat is not an issue, it's a great experience, but for my favorite game, which is Call of Duty, and probably others like it, it actually isn't great. Not because the visuals aren't good, it's because of the aspect ratio. Certain things on the sides get cut out, and there'd be people, opponents, that I straight up would not see compared to a regular wide phone.
Worth buying? That depends on you. If you are new to foldable phones, then I think the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be a nice try. It will introduce you to a whole new user experience with its huge display, better battery and camera quality, and overall performance. However, if you are already having the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, then upgrading to the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will not be worth it. Comparing the Galaxy Fold 4 to the Fold 3, there's not much difference between the two, aside from an improved battery and camera quality. But if the $1,650 price of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 does not worry you, then you should go for it. After 90 days of usage, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is very impressive. Aside from its 263-gram weight, which makes the phone quite heavy and bulky, I think the device has almost no flaws. We compare it with another Samsung foldable in our next video. Watch the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 versus Galaxy Z Flip Ultimate review for fans to know which one is best for you. See you next time.